Okay, so let's look at lesson 23 of algebraic concepts. Lesson 23, solve multiplication equations. Okay, so you can read over the objective and vocabulary. Okay, so now we don't see a number in front of the x. So whenever you don't see a number in front of a variable, we're going to stick a number in between the sign and the x. You cannot have a -1 as a coefficient. A coefficient is a number in front of a letter. That definition is somewhere in the notes. I just don't remember what video. It might be in this video. I'm not sure. So when a number is next to a letter, the order of operation is multiplication. In order to get rid of the multiplication, you're going to have to divide. So if we divide both sides by -1, x will now be positive. So we divide it by -1, x will be positive because -1 divided by -1 cancels out, and we get -54. So positive 1x. So that's what you need to have as your coefficient when you solve equations. Our second example. When a number is next to a letter is multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide both sides by 9. So when we divide both sides by 9, x equals 6. Okay, so those were our two examples. I will see you at the end of this video for a recap. Okay, so dividing both sides by 28, because 28 is next to the x, and that means it's multiplying. 700 divided by 28 is 25. Okay, 28 times 25 should give you 700. 3n plus n. Well, there's no number next to the n, so we're going to put a 1. So 3n plus 1n. We got to combine like terms before you do anything. And now we divide both sides by 4. 1n, because 4 divided by 4 leaves you positive 1, is 6. So if you do 3 times 6 plus 1 times 6, you will get 24. That is our video on solving multiplication equations. I will see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching.